Hi, and welcome to part 3 of our resurrection. What we're going to do this time is we're going to replace the temperature sensor, or the coolant temp sensor, which is a bit hard to show you with the cover on, but it's just there. So once I remove that cover, you'll be able to see it a bit better. And actually now you can see it a lot better. There it is right there. Probably don't even have to take the cover off, but I will, just to make life a little bit easier. There we go, just like that. Just like that. We'll unclip him. And that looks like about a, let's say about a 19mm deep socket perhaps. Let's go get one and see what happens. Unfortunately, our 19mm deep socket is just not deep enough. But that is not a really bad position, so we can get to that with just a 19mm ring spanner. Just crack it. And gently. Okay. Got coolant there. This is a brand newie. We're going to compare the two, because we didn't do that with the ignition, and it turned out that we were struggling for no reason. So the length seems to be okay. The plug seems to be the same. So let's do it. Okay, there he goes. There we go. Okay, let's start it, see what happens. Nah, the thermo fans are still working. Looks like the coolant temp sensor is not the issue. We might have a go at the relays. Okay. The relays that are responsible for the fans is this one here and that one there. Now see how that one's got discoloration? That tells me that it's been getting hot, and the grey plastic is actually becoming brown from heat. So maybe we should just change them, see if that does anything. So there goes one fan, and there goes the other. Are they the problem? We'll find out when we replace them. Okay, this is our original one. See how it's got the brown discoloration from heat, and this is a brand newie. So we'll put him in and see what happens. It doesn't sound promising. This is our second new one. See what he says. That didn't do it. Okay. Back to the drawing board. Okay, in conclusion, off camera I actually put a known working coolant temp sensor just to verify that the aftermarket one that we purchased is not faulty or non-compatible. The car is still doing the same thing. Furthermore, I also scanned it, and the live data shows the coolant temp sensor showing a -40. Obviously, the ECU cannot see the sensor, and that's why it shows -40. So odds are it could well be an ECU issue, but we're going to keep digging and keep you updated. Thanks a lot for coming along for part 3. I hope to see you in part 4. Bye for now.